These sleep music videos are getting millions of views right now.
And these channels are making a lot of money without any hard work.
So we created a viral money-making machine for sleep music that runs completely on autopilot.
Not only does it make you money, but it saves you hours of time.
Watch this video till the end if you want to learn the secret system and start earning today. If you are new here, my name is Prashant. I spent over 15 years working in film and animation industry for studios like DreamWorks and MPC.
And now we've started NoCodeDad, a community where my dad teaches me how to use AI and automation to make real income and build some cool projects.
You can even hack to our school community right now and download the setup right away.
The link's in the description below.
Alright guys, let's get started. The setup is called Trending Sleep Music Setup, and the setup consists of 3 parts. Part 1, create images and videos. Part 2, create music. Part 3, repeat loop videos and combine audios. Let's start the setup. Step 1, create images and videos. Step 1 is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 is generate prompts. First thing we do is schedule trigger. Let's double click on the node and see what's inside this. It's the trigger which defines how often you want to run this setup. So let's run this node. Next node is called get rows in sheet. Basically what we are doing here is we are reading a Google sheet. Let's first check what a Google sheet includes. This is the Google sheet we are talking about. We have to first add a new row. Let's create a new video here and set the status to create, and we can define how many songs we want to make. Let's set the value 3. You can create as many songs as you want.
Create 100 if you want.
One song will give you average 4 minutes of video. Then the next step is reference image. For this setup we are using this channel for reference, so we're gonna choose one of the videos from this one. So let's choose this one. Copy the image URL and then paste it in reference. Next step is music style. For music style, just copying the title from the same video, paste it here. Because we are making it for YouTube, the aspect ratio will be 16:9. Let's go back to n8n. Let's understand how get rows in sheet node is working. Double click and see what we are doing here. Step 1 is define your Google Sheets credential. Then you will define which sheet you want to open. Then you choose the column which has the option create. So if we quickly go back and see our sheet, video 5 is the row which we want to run. So let's run this node. So now all your data is inside n8n. Let's go to the next node. The next node is AI agent. Let's dive in and see what's happening here. First, what we have to do here is to define our prompt. We are going to use this prompt, make image and video prompt, and the music style.
Basically the title that we copied from the video that we were taking inspiration from.
Then we also defined system message here in this node.
The system message basically tells the AI agent what to do.
Basically training our AI agent to do some operations. So let's run this node.
Now we have the image prompt, video prompt, title, description.
Let's go to the next node.
Create image.
Let's dive inside image node. Double click and see what we are doing here. So basically we are going to use a post method and we are calling Kie AI.
Kie AI is an API aggregator.
Make account here and then you buy some credits and you are good to go. And then we are defining a prompt also in this node. Prompt is using nano banana and we are passing all the details here. So let's run this node.
We're going to send a request to make our image to Kie AI.
Next couple of nodes are very special. We made a loop system to make sure that this will run smoothly when you are
running the whole setup at once.
This will make sure your setup never fails. Here we added wait node, get images node, which is basically a call to Kie AI to get the images which we generated from the last step.
We're telling you made our image, now give it
back to us. And then the next node is called switch node. We also have to understand image URL here. It's edit fields node. This is bringing just the image URL from all the data which Kie AI give us back. Let's run all this node together to see how the loop works. I'm executing this node. So the image is already done. Once we have the image, we can go to step 3, which is called create video. The first node here is called create video, which is HTTPS request to Kie AI. We are going to use 3.1.
I remembered.
We do need our credentials for Kie AI to work. And then we are passing this JSON prompt. So what the JSON prompt is doing is it's passing our video prompt. So let's run create videos node. Once we execute this node, we get our task ID. The next few node is almost similar to the create image section.
Basically almost the same, except instead of getting an image, we're getting a video, and it's a different task item.
Let's see what's going on inside get video node. Double click inside and see what we are doing here. This is the URL we are passing, and this is the task ID we are passing. So we are basically saying, hey Kie AI, get us our video back. And then we have a switch node here, and then the get video URL. Because Kie AI will give us a lot of data back, we just want the video URL here. So we are going to run all this node in a go. So let's run all 4 nodes together. It's gonna work like a magic. The video is ready. So once we got the images and videos, we want to update our sheet. Double click inside this node and see what we are doing here. So this is Google Sheet node. Again, we are passing our credentials here. We are assigning the paths to our Google Sheet at image URL and the video URL in our Google Sheet. So once you execute the node, let's check the image and video which we generated. This is the image which we generated. This is the video. Wow, it looks cool. Let's go to part 2, which is create music. Let's run the part 2. First node is again the schedule trigger. Just execute schedule trigger. The second node is called read sheet. It's a Google Sheet node where we are reading a row. So let's run this node. Alright, so now we have another AI agent here. Double click on this node and see what's going on inside. We are defining a prompt here to generate the music. What we are saying here is make a number of songs based on the amount which we declared here. Again, we are using a system message here. Here we are defining how we want our songs to sound like. Let's execute this node. This will generate a JSON file of all the songs. So the next node is called split out. Basically what we are doing here is from the last node, we have everything in one table, one row. After executing this, we will get each row as a separate entity.
And the item number changes from 1 to 3.
So you notice the item number is 1 here, but now it turned into 3 items. Let's go to the next section of part 2, which is called create actual music. Here the first node is called create songs. It's a HTTPS request which is calling Suno AI. We are using Suno AI's latest V5 model, which is best for creating song right now. So we are passing a JSON prompt here, and we are passing our prompt which we created from AI agent. Execute this node. All our tasks are now submitted to Suno AI. Alright, here the next few nodes are again a loop to run simultaneously. First we added a wait node, then we added a get songs, and the last one is log the songs back to our Google Sheet. So let's run all this node together. Now you will see the dance of all these 3 nodes. Guess how many times this node will run? We are basically playing a game while this node is getting run. 2 of our songs are already uploaded to our Google Sheet, and now the third one is also in the Google Sheet. Let's see how this node looks like. Double click on this node and see what we are doing here. First we are passing our credentials. Second we are appending the row, and this is the Google Sheet which we are using. And what we are appending here is songs URL, song duration. It's in a separate Google Sheet which is songs section. This is our video 5. These are the URL of our songs, and these are the song durations. So let's play this one. Pretty interesting, right? Wow, I'm falling sleepy now. So we got our music, we got our song details here. Let's go to the next part of this setup, which is repeat the number of loop and adding audio on top of it. Basically what we are doing here is we are using our loop video, and then we are repeating it for song duration. So step 1 is to create a prompt to repeat loop video. Alright, so here we are again breaking the setup into 3 parts. So we have a schedule trigger here also. So let's run this, and then this time we are reading both the sheets. So let's run both of the nodes together. So now all the data of sheet 1 and songs sheet is back in n8n setup. Next node, what we are doing is we are bringing song ID, status, video URL, and song duration to the next node. Let's run this node. We are getting all the song details in this table here. The next node is a loop again. Are you excited about the loops? Basically what we are doing is we are creating a prompt for ffmpeg node to combine those loop video into multiple times. So we will run all this node together. This includes loop over items, script here which says this is the video URL and this is the number of times I want to repeat this video, and then the third step is to log that loop prompt into our Google Sheet and run this loop. Yeah. Alright, so I'm executing this loop. It's gonna be quick one. Next part is basically combining the same video multiple times for the song duration. We are calling this node here, which is again a HTTPS request. We are doing a post method. We are using FFmpeg merge video here and passing the prompt which we generated from the last node. Alright, so let's execute this node. So now what we got here is request ID generated for Fal AI. The next couple of node is again a loop. We are getting the data back from the Fal AI when it is done, and then we are logging it back into our Google Sheets. So let's run all this node together and play a game. No, we both failed.
Okay, let's do another. I say 6.
Alright, I say 8.
Aww.
Oh, we both lost it.
Yeah.
Alright, so now the videos we generated are logged into our Google Sheets. Let's go and check how this video look like now. So let's check one of them.
Yeah.
This is the first one. We got the loop for all the 3 songs. Okay, so the next step is called combine our songs with the videos which we generated in the last node. All right, so for doing that, we are again using the same HTTPS request, and we are going to use Fal AI and this operation, merge audio and video operation. Okay, we are passing our video URL and audio URL here. So let's run this node. So now our request is posted to Fal AI. So next few node is again a loop where we are waiting for some time, and then we are getting the result back from Fal AI and then logging it back into our Google Sheet. All right.
Yes.
So let's play the game.
Yep.
So now the combined audio and video files are logged back into our sheet. Okay, let's play one of them and see how it looks. Okay, wow.
I'm asleep.
Wow, I'm feeling sleepy. So the next node is called video URL. Basically, we are grabbing our video from the last node. Let's go to the next node. What we are doing here is a opposite of split node. We are combining all the rows into a single row. So notice we have 3 items here, and what we are saying is let's aggregate all of these video URL together. So let's execute this node. So now if you notice, everything is back in one row. So now we are in our final part of this setup, combining the video which you can launch on YouTube. So the first node here is again a HTTPS request. Let's double click and see what's inside this node. So here first operation is a post method. We are calling Kie AI with FFmpeg merge video URL, and we also have a JSON prompt here. So the JSON prompt is basically passing the video URL in a particular format. So let's execute this node. So now we are almost at the completion of our setup. This is our last loop. So basically what we are doing here is we are adding a wait node and doing a get method, calling our videos back from Fal AI, and then we are getting the row in sheet. So let's run this node. Are you excited to see the final video?
Yes.
We got our final video done here. The last few nodes are doing more operation to get that video back into your Google Sheet. Let's double click and see what we are doing here. So here we are just changing the status of our song. Let's run this node. So see, now the status is changed to done, and now we are on our final node, doc final video in our Google Sheet. So double click on this node and see we are updating the final video URL. Let's run this node, and then so it should be in sheet 1. The status is changed to done, and the final video is logged into our Google Sheet. So you want to see the final video? Have a look at the final video. So this is our final video. Cool. Looks so amazing, right? And it's sleepy. So thank you guys so much for watching the video till the end. If you guys want the file, please do like and comment.
And do share the video if you have some friends who might want to watch it too.